Want to know how to test an infusion pump using the IDA-6 and procedures? Here's how you do it. Start by turning the IDA-6 on and connect your infusion pump to one of the channels. Press the Run Procedure button on the home screen on the IDA-6. First, let's enter the asset ID of the infusion pump. You can enter it manually or scan it with a barcode scanner to make it even quicker. This infusion pump has never been tested before, so you are given the possibility of adding it to the system to let it help you test with the right procedure. Enter or quick select the brand and model and press Create Asset. Based on the brand and model of your infusion device, the IDA-6 suggests procedures to use. Let's go with the top suggestion. On the test setup screen, you're given the option to add work order ID and select tester. When all is set up, press the Run button to get things flowing. The first set of questions in this example procedure are around visually inspecting the infusion device. The accessories and the device looks perfectly clean. It's a pass. The power cord and the connecting lines also look good. Let's get into the functional section. In this example, we included an instruction on how to set things up. Since it matches our setup, let's press Continue. Now it's time for a flow and volume measurement. Let's press the Run button and then set the infusion pump to the set values that is shown on the screen. The IDA-6 automatically starts measuring, and all we have to do is wait for it to complete. Let's speed it up and wait for it to finish. When the flow and volume measurement is complete, we can see the final values and the result. It passed the test. When all the steps in the procedure are completed, you are automatically taken to the test completion screen. If you like, you can add a note or signature to the test report. When you are done, press the Complete button in the lower right corner. If you are connected to the internet via Wi-Fi, the result is automatically synced to your OneQA cloud. And that is how quickly you can test an infusion pump using the IDA-6 and procedures.